this is Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about LCM and HCF. This topic belongs to number system or properties of numbers. Here, first, what is the difference between LCM and HCF? Definition of LCM and also HCF. First, what is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. HCF indicate highest common factor or greatest common divisor. LCM means LCM is always more than or equal to given numbers. Suppose example, find the LCM of 8, 12. General procedure. Divisible by 2. 2 into 4, 2 into 6, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Therefore, LCM of 8, 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. This is called general procedure of a LCM. Second method, option verification, that is called shortcut method. Find the LCM of 8, 12. Option A 2, option B 12, option C 24, option D 48. LCM notation. LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. 8, 12, LCM exactly divisible by 8, 12. Just to check the options one by one. Option A, LCM is always more than or equal to given numbers, but 2 is less than 8. That cannot be possible. Option A is not right answer. Option B, 12. Option B, 12, but LCM always exactly divisible by given numbers. 8, 12 is not divisible by 8. That option is also not correct. Option C 24. That option only exactly divisible by 8, 12. Option C only correct. And D also exactly divisible by 8, 12. Option C and D, these two are exactly divisible by 8, 12. But definition of LCM, that is least common multiple, 24, 48, least common multiple only 24. Therefore, LCM of 8, 12 only 24. This is only exactly correct answer. You may follow any of the method. Both are correct. Either general method or option verification. But you must apply the LCM rule. That is, LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. That is only option verification method. A first method, divisibility condition, step-by-step method, calculate LCM of given numbers. This is the first method. Second, LCM of co-prime numbers is product of the co-prime numbers. This is called second condition. LCM of co-prime numbers is product of the co-prime numbers. What is co-prime? Co-prime definition, they don't have common factor except one is called co-prime. Example, find the LCM of 5, 8. Definition of co-prime, you check factors of 5, 8. If only one common factor of these two numbers, those numbers are called co-prime. Now write factors of 5. Here 5 factors only 1, 5. 8 factors 1, 2, 4, 8. You check common factors of 5, 8. Here only one is a factor of 5, 8. Those numbers are called co-prime. If co-prime of LCM is product of the co-prime numbers. If product means 5 into 8, 40, answer 40 only correct. Direct method, LCM of coprime is product of the coprime numbers. This is about third condition. In next fourth point, LCM of fractions is equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Suppose here 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 7. Here calculate LCM of these numbers. Here fractions type of questions are given. LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator, that is called LCM of fractions. Next, fifth point, is the least number which when divided by a comma b and c leaving remainder or in each case, then find only LCM of a comma b comma c plus remainder. Remainder means remaining. This is called fifth point. Next, what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Condition, first point, HCF is always less than or equal to given numbers. Suppose example, find the HCF of 8, 12, first method by using general procedure of a HCF. A 12 divisible by 8, 8 into 1, 8, remainder 4. Next again divisible by 4, 4 into 2, 8, when remainder 0, that is HCF of 8, 12 only 4. This is called general procedure of a HCF. Next, shortcut method. Here find the HCF of 8, 12 using option verification. Suppose option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 6, option E 4. Highest common factor. Here HCF numbers are always exactly divisible by HCF. Condition of HCF, numbers are exactly divisible by HCF. Numbers 8, 12, you check options one by one. Option means HCF. Option A exactly divisible, 8, 12, 8 and 12 exactly divisible by 1 and also exactly divisible by 2. But 3 not divisible by 8, 6 is not divisible by 8 and 4 also exactly divisible. Second method, without using general procedure, by using shortcut method, that is option verification method. But here A option, B option, E option are exactly divisible. HCF means highest common factor, 1 common factor, 2 common factor, 4 common factor. Out of these highest common factor, only 4, option E only 4 only correct. LCM indicate consider only least common multiple. HCF indicate highest common factor or greatest. Consider only greatest. A greatest only option E. This is about HCF definition. In next conditions, HCF of coprime numbers is always 1. Coprime definition, if they don't have common factor except 1 is called coprime. Indirectly, if HCF of given numbers is 1, those numbers are called coprime. That definition also correct. If HCF of given numbers is 1, those numbers are called coprime numbers. A maximum common factor only 1, then HCF is equal to 1. This is about third point. Similarly, HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. A next point, if the greatest number that divides a comma b and c leaving remainders x comma y and z, remainders x comma y and z respectively, then find the greatest number is equal to, that is called HCF. HCF of a minus x comma b minus y comma c minus z. This is fourth rule. The greatest number that divides a comma b and c leaving remainders x, y and z respectively, then HCF of a minus x comma b minus y and c minus z. This is about fourth condition. Next, the difference between LCM and HCF. First point, LCM is exactly divisible by HCF. First difference method, the difference between LCM and HCF. LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. Exactly divisible by HCF. That is the first point. Second point, number 2, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. These 2 points are very important to LCM and HCF. A first one, definition. Second one, difference. First point and second point. Second, this is applicable only product of two numbers but not three numbers. A product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. And first point, LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. The LCM is a multiple of HCF. Okay, right. In next, sample examples using LCM and HCF. But notation, least indicate consider only LCM. Greatest indicate consider only HCF. Either apply general procedure or verify the options. Both methods are correct. For time saving purpose, just you apply only option verification. That method only very simple. By using option verification, if the problem is belongs to LCM, consider only least common multiple of given options, which is the least common multiple, that is called LCM. Next, by using HCF, using option verification, consider only highest common factor of given options. Least and HCF. HCF also greatest, maximum, highest. Consider only HCF. Least comma minimum, consider only LCM. These are called LCM, HCF key points or notations. A next example, sample examples using LCM and HCF. First example, if the HCF of two numbers is 12, find their LCM. A 34, B 49, C 61, D 96. We know that LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. Option A, B, C, D, each option divisible by 12. Consider only 12 multiple option, that is only correct. That is to consider only least common multiple, that is called LCM. Option A, 34 divisible by 12, that is not exactly divisible, therefore A is not correct. Option B, 49 also not exactly divisible by 12, not correct. 61 not divisible by 12, again not correct. In 96 option exactly divisible by 12, this option only correct, that is called LCM. This problem is belongs to application of LCM and HCF. Application, LCM always exactly divisible by HCF. This is about first example answer. Next, second. If the product of two co-prime numbers is 273, find their LCM. Option A 1, B 273, C LCM is equal to HCF. Option D, none of these. We know that LCM of co-prime numbers is product of the co-prime numbers. A co-prime, the type of questions are given. Check LCM or HCF. Only 2 points. If the problem is belongs to LCM, then product of the co-prime numbers, or HCF only 1. But here calculate only LCM. Therefore, LCM of co-prime numbers is equal to product of the co-prime numbers. Product of the co-prime numbers. Given first statement, where product of co-prime numbers is 273. Therefore, LCM is equal to 273. Option C, option B only correct. Second, suppose find their HCF blindly. HCF of co-prime numbers is always 1. Whether if the product of two co-prime numbers is 273, that condition given or not. If it is given, HCF is also 1 only correct blindly. HCF answer is 1. LCM answer is product of the co-prime numbers. A second example answer 273 only correct. Next, third example number 3. If the ratio of two numbers is 4:5 and LCM is 100, find the numbers. Option A 12, 50. Option B 20, 25. Option C 32, 40. Option D 45, 36. First method using option verification. Second, general procedure. First, shortcut method. Option verification. We know that LCM is always exactly divisible by HCF. Here LCM is exactly divisible by HCF, and also LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. Here LCM is 100, but LCM is 100. 100 is not divisible by 12, 15. Therefore, option A is not correct. 100 exactly divisible by 20, 25. And I think B only correct. You check remaining options also. But consider only least. Option C 32, 40 again not divisible by 100. C option also not correct. D again not divisible by 100. By using 4 options, exactly divisible by 100 only B. So answer is 20, 25. Option B only correct. This is the first method, shortcut method. In next, general procedure by using ratio. Ratio is nothing but equality. Definition of ratio: the equality of numbers or equality of quantities are called ratio. Ratio, it can be written as A is to B or A by B or A is equal to B. Ratio means similarity. One variable only applicable. Suppose first number 3x, second number 4y. That is not a ratio. Equality. One ratio is applicable only one variable. But two variables, it's not a ratio. That is a comparison. Let first number 4x and second number 5x. Given LCM is 100, we know that HCF of 4x, 5x, 4x, 5x ratio type of questions are given. HCF is always x because highest common factor of 4x, 5x only x. X is called HCF. Indirectly, in LCM and HCF concept, ratio type of questions are given. That problem HCF is always x. 4x, 5x, 4 into x, 5 into x, highest common factor only x, that is HCF only x. In next application, here the product of two numbers is equal to a into b is equal to LCM into HCF. Next formula, a into b is equal to LCM into HCF, where a is called 4x and b 5x is equal to LCM 100 HCF x. Remaining part only simplification, x get cancelled. Remaining 20x is equal to 100, x is equal to 5. Therefore, first number 4x, 4 into 5 20. Second number 5x, 5 into 5 25. Then answer 20, 25. Option B only correct. This is called second method. Second method using the relation between LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This formula is applicable only product of two numbers but not three numbers. More than two numbers, the type of questions are given, apply general procedure of a LCM but not using formula. Okay, right. Next, fourth example, number 4. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5 and their LCM is 2400. Find the HCF. Find the HCF. Okay, right. Method. HCF of 3x, 4x, 5x. Ratio type of questions are given. HCF is always x. Consider first number 3x, second number 4x, third number 5x. Then HCF of 3x, 4x, 5x is equal to x. Common factor, highest common factor of 3x, 4x, 5x, x only common factor. Therefore, HCF is equal to x. Next given second statement, LCM is 100. But formula product of two numbers but not three numbers. If three numbers and more than two numbers, the type of questions are given. Apply general procedure of a LCM. General procedure, here 3x, next 4x and 5x. Calculate LCM. LCM. First x is common, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, LCM x into 3 into 4 into 5. That is already given 2400. Here next x into 60 is equal to 2400. X is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. X is nothing but HCF. HCF is equal to x is equal to 40. Option A only correct. This is about fourth example solution method. Option A only correct. And also 4 numbers, 5 numbers, more than 2 numbers, the type of questions are given, apply this procedure. Next, less than or is equal to 2 numbers, apply formula. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. That is applicable only 2 numbers but not more than 2 numbers. Okay. Yes, third example, fourth example. You see the difference between third example method and also fourth example method. Next, example number 5. Important. If A, B and C start at the same time in the same direction to run around a circular stadium. If A completes a round in 9 seconds, a B in 2 seconds and C in 15 seconds respectively. If all starting at the same point, after what time will they meet again at the starting point? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. This is called circle, around a circular stadium. Suppose all are starting at the same point. If A completes a run in 9 seconds and B completes a round in 12 seconds and C in 15 seconds. Next, if all are starting at the same point, after at what time will they meet together at the starting point? Here meet indicate least possibility condition. Note, meet means least possibility condition. Then apply only LCM. LCM of A comma B and C. Here LCM of 9 comma 12 comma 15. A LCM of 9 comma 12 comma 15. General procedure 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Therefore, LCM is 3 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to is 180 seconds. Okay, 3 into 3 and 9 into 4 into 5, 36 into 5, 180 seconds. 180 seconds is nothing but 3 minutes. LCM of 9, 12, 15 is 180 seconds or 3 minutes. After every 3 minutes, all are starting point same. That is called one time. Here question is, at what time will they meet together at the starting point? Every 3 minutes, after 3 minutes, all are starting point same. Therefore, answer is option C only correct. Here important only last point, underline meet condition. Meet indicate least possibility condition. Least means apply only LCM. Suppose a clue greatest or maximum, the type of questions are given, apply only HCF. Apply only HCF. Here meet indicate least possibility condition, then just you have to calculate only LCM. LCM 3 minutes, that is your answer. Okay, right. Next, sixth one. Same method. Here again you check meet indicate least possibility condition, apply LCM this problem also. Here problem meaning A, B, C, D, E and F start at the same point and same direction around a circular stadium. If A completes a round in 2 seconds and B in 4 seconds, C in 80 seconds, C in 80 seconds, C in 6 seconds, D in 80 seconds, E in 10 seconds and F in 12 seconds respectively. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 respectively. If all starting at the same point, starting point same, in 30 minutes, how many times do they meet together at the starting point? And calculate number of times. A time duration 30 minutes, calculate number of times. A 15, B 16, C 17, D 18 and calculate number of times. Again, meet together at the starting point. Meet indicate least possibility condition. Here A 2 seconds, B 4 seconds, C 8 seconds, D 10 seconds, D 8 seconds, E 10 seconds, F 12 seconds. Calculate meet means least possibility condition of A, B, C, D, E and F. To calculate only LCM, that is the minimum time means LCM. Here LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You calculate LCM. Here next LCM method, general procedure 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Find LCM, general procedure 1 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again divisible by 2. Here 2 into 1, next 2 into 2, next 2 into 3. Next divisible by 3. Here 1, 3 into 1, next 3 into 1. Therefore LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. A 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 is equal to a 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 5, 120 seconds. Here LCM is 120 seconds. 120 seconds is nothing but 2 minutes. 2 minutes. But after every 2 minutes, all our starting points same, that is called one time. After every 2 minutes, all our starting point same, that is one time. Calculate total number of times is equal to, in 30 minutes calculate number of times, every 2 minutes one time, 30 times 30 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 16 times. Option B only correct, but not 15. A plus 1 indicate initial all or starting point same, that point consider only one time because together all or starting point same, initial all or starting point same, consider that point also, that is called one time. Therefore, number of times only 16 but not 15. 15 option is also available, that is not correct. Here plus 1 indicate initial all or starting point same, that is called one time. Therefore, number of times 15 plus 1, 16 only correct. A previous example, just to calculate only meeting time only, but this example calculate number of times. The total time period given, calculate only number of times. Number of times only 16. Okay, right. Sixth example solution. Next, seventh. If LCM of two prime numbers P and Q, where P less than Q, are 323. LCM of two prime numbers P and Q are 323. Then the value of 2P minus Q is dash. A 13, 15, 11, 17. First 323 convert into a prime factors. Convert into two prime factors only, because P and Q only two prime factors of LCM. Here 323 convert into a prime factors, only two prime factors, 17 into 9. 17 into 19 is equal to 323. This pair only possible. Next condition, where P less than Q, the P value is less than Q, that is 17 less than 19, and P must be 17 and Q 19. If that condition not given, two possibilities exist. Here P 17 or 19, Q 19 or 17, then two possibilities exist where P less than Q not given. If P less than Q not given, here two solutions exist. But if P less than Q given, P must be less than Q, and 17 and 19 respectively P and Q. In next, substitute the given condition, that is 2P minus Q. A 2P minus Q, 2 into P 17 minus Q 19, 34 minus 19, 15 only correct. So option B only correct. But 1 is not a prime number. 323 convert into only two prime numbers. A product of P and Q, that is 17 into 19. The next part is the simplification part. 2P minus Q, 15 only correct to option B. Okay, right. Next, 8th example, number 8. In 8th example, if the sum of squares of two numbers is 164 and their LCM and HCF are 40 and 2 respectively, first HCF followed by LCM, 2 and 40 respectively, then the numbers are dash. Option A 4, 8, B 4, 10, C 8, 10, D 10, 12. A first method, option verification. First statement, sum of squares of two numbers is 164. Option A 4 square 16, 8 square. A 4 square plus 8 square is equal to 80. 16 plus 64 80. But sum of square of two numbers is 164. 80 not equal to 164. A option is not correct. And B option also, 4 square plus 10 square is equal to 160. not satisfied. B also not correct. C option 8 square plus 10 square is equal to 164. This option only correct. Again you check 10 square plus 12 square. 12 square means 144 is equal to 244. Again not equal to 164. D option again not correct. But out of these four options, first statement satisfied only option C, then 8, 10 only correct. Suppose other option or suppose option E, that option also sum of two squares numbers is 164. That option also given. Then you check second condition and calculate only LCM and HCF. Here next LCM and HCF. We know that product of two numbers is LCM into HCF. Here HCF to LCM 40, product to 80. Which option indicate product of two numbers is equal to 80? That option only correct. You check the options. First statement, sum of square of two numbers is 164. Second statement, product of two numbers is 80. You check these two statements. Which option satisfied above two statements? That is only correct. But option C exactly correct. Sum 164, product to 8 into 10 80, satisfied two conditions. So option C only correct. This is about option verification method. That means shortcut method. Here next second statement or consider first number X, second number Y, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF, X into Y is equal to 80. That is first equation. Second equation, x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to 164. Here next x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Here find out x plus y. And also calculate x comma y, where x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. This is equation solving method. X plus y whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Using that equation, calculate x plus y. Next x into y, x plus y, x into y. By using two equations, two unknowns, find x comma y. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. Again that answer option C only correct. This is second method, I think not required. By using option verification only very simple. Because competitive examination all are multiple choice based questions. Just apply only shortcut method, that is enough to solve the problem. This is about 8th example answer. Here next 9th example. Important. The largest measuring cylinder that can accurately fill 3 tanks of capacity 98, 182, 266 liters each is of capacity. Largest indicate HCF. Find out only HCF of given numbers, that is your answer. Largest, maximum, greatest. Always consider only HCF. First method, general procedure, HCF of 98, 182, 266. That is only 14 and option B only correct. Second method, options means HCF. Highest common factor. HCF numbers are exactly divisible by HCF. In 98, next 182, next 266 are exactly divisible by 2. 98, 182, 266. These numbers are exactly divisible by 2. A correct. And also 98, 182, 266 also exactly divisible by 14. And also exactly divisible by 7. But not option D. 182 not divisible by 98. Option D exactly not correct by definition of HCF. Next, 2 exactly divisible, 14 exactly divisible, 7 exactly divisible. 3 options correct, but a topic name HCF, highest common factor, a 2, 14, 77, highest common factor or highest number of 2, 14, 7, only 14, option B only correct. But 3 are exactly divisible, consider only highest. LCM consider only least, that is the difference between LCM and HCF. This is the first method. Second, just to calculate only HCF of 98, 182, 266. That answer only 14. Option B only correct. Second method, general procedure of HCF by divisibility condition. First calculate 98, 182 HCF. Again HCF and 266 find HCF. That is called greatest or maximum or highest common factor of these numbers. Option B only correct. Okay, this is the first general method. I covered 2 methods, with using option, without using option. You may apply any one method, either general procedure or option verification method. Both are indicate same answers. In next 10th example, the LCM and HCF of 2 numbers are 2970 and 30 respectively. Prime factors of the product of two numbers are A 2, 4, 5, 11. Here find out only prime factors, but 4 is not a prime number. A option is not correct. Blindly that case is negligible because 4 is not a prime number. A, next B 2371, 23713, 23511. Next LCM and HCF convert into a prime factors. LCM 2970 convert into a prime factors. Here 2970 means 11 into 29 into 10, that is 2070. Next again 11 into 27, not 20, 27. 27 convert into prime factors, 3 into 3 into 3. 10 convert into prime factors, 2 into 5. HCF only 30. 30 again convert into prime factors, 2 into 3 into 5. Here problem is prime factors of the product of 2 numbers. Here by using LCM and HCF, here prime factors, 2 is a prime factor, 3, 5, 11. So option D only correct. But using LCM and HCF, 7 is not a prime number and 13 also not a prime number. Then option C, option B not correct. But option D only correct. Using LCM and HCF, product of 2 numbers is equal to LCM and HCF, common prime numbers of LCM and HCF, 2, 3, 5, 11. So option D only correct. This is about 10th example. Once more, here concept of the topic only important, here calculation part only important. Maximum problems are depending only option verification. General method to difficult and lengthy 1 minute it's not sufficient. Just you apply only option verification method. But notation, if the problem is belongs to LCM, consider only least common multiple. LCM indicate LCM is always exactly divisible by given numbers. You check the options are exactly divisible by LCM only. Consider least. HCF indicate highest common factor, but numbers are exactly divisible by HCF. Using options consider only highest, that is called HCF. This is about LCM and HCF concept. Just you apply 2 methods, LCM and HCF. Then 1 mark completed in your exam. You may write any competitive exam. Minimum 1 mark will come from only LCM and HCF topic. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.